These are the latest release for Tomica for the month of Jan. And here we have 3 main lines, which were released last Saturday in Japan, and one from Tomica shop, which was released 1st of Jan. Let's start with the Coco Ichibaya kitchen car. This kitchen car originated from Coco Curry House, which is the real establishment in Japan, and they also have branches in Singapore. I have never tried the curry rice myself, and I hope to see the actual kitchen car when I'm back in Japan at the later part of the year. It's quite a big casting in 1:64. You have the Coco House advertisement on 3 sides of the casting. The mobile kitchen is made of plastic, while the Toyota Town Ace is in diecast. I like this casting because it's unique, and what's more is the mini replica of the real thing. There is an opening window on this casting, but there is no die cut for us to see the interior. This is done so for Tomica to cut costs for this main line. Overall, it's an unconventional casting, and I hope to see the real kitchen car in Japan soon. Up next is the Chevy Corvette ZR1. You can see that they are not just different in color. The first color ZR1 is presented as a cabriolet casting. While to my surprise, the ZR1 comes in seal package. This is the very first time I encountered a seal package in my unboxing video. Overall, the open top ZR1 is a very basic casting. This ZR1 does not have any opening parts, but the standard Tomica suspension. And what I like most is the body color in pearl orange, and the spoiler is not in diecast but plastic. And I'm pleased that the front and rear lights also come in plastic instead of being painted. Unlike the open top first color, the gunmetal ZR1 comes with opening doors, standard Tomica suspension, and rear plastic spoiler. I prefer this mainline in gunmetal rather than the first color orange because this looks more aggressive and looks more stylish. Lastly, the Tomica shop Lamborghini LP400. This LP400 is pretty basic. It comes in standard Tomica shop logo type, and the whole casting is in striking red body color without any fanciful livery. It's in 1:61 scale, and it comes with limited opening compartment to reveal the interior. Stay tuned for my next review video for the Tomica 4D NSX and the Mini GT GTR Liberty Walk in matte white. Thanks everyone, bye!